This 2019 M4 CS has a resonated equal length mid pipe. I'll show you guys what that sounds like in cabin, outside cabin. And then I want to show you guys something in this garage, see what you guys think, what I should do next. So stay tuned for that. But let's give this M4 CS a listen and let me know what you guys think about the sound, if it needs more or if it's too much. So let's get into it. That was the Active Autowerke Equal Length mid pipe. What do you guys think of the sound? Should it be more or is it too raspy? But let's get into this garage now, what it looks like and what you guys think should be next. So as we enter in here, the only thing really finished is the ceiling, black with the hex lights. And you're gonna ask, why is there blue and multiple colors on the walls? Well, I showed the painter this color and then he came and did all of this. So now I'm changing it all to the proper gray. Here's the daily. This is what it looks like. 2 doors, but you can fit with the truck, normal sized cars, 4 of them. Maybe just 3 if it's all trucks. But if it's sports cars like this, maybe about 5, 6 of them. Now the floor is pretty basic. I don't want it to keep it like this. What do you guys think I should do? There's those black tiles you just piece together. There's epoxy, polished concrete. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think would look best with this gray color, black ceiling. If you like M4s, you're gonna wanna subscribe, stick around, because this is not the only one I have. And no, it's not the G82. It's similar to this, but 4-digit horsepower. Only 1 turbo. So if you wanna see that, just subscribe and it'll be posted soon. It's almost done. Thanks for watching and hopefully in the next video, you're gonna see double.